Good morning, my dear students. Now today in this moral science subject class, I am going to summarize the gratitude lesson, what we have learned and how we should behave with our parents, with our teachers and in our locality. So gratitude is not only the word, is not only the theory, we must pay attention over these things. Now the first one is, gratitude is one of the most understandable way anyone can use to enrich their lives. Means we must have gratitude in our behavior. We should forgive, we should say thanks for whatever we are having. It is the feeling and attitude of appreciation and thankfulness for the good that we receive in life. It is the only feeling that we are saying thank you and sorry for the mistakes whatever we have done to those who have given us the opportunities to do this. For example, if we receive food, we should say thanks to God. If we receive rain, if we receive good weather, trees, animals are there and good environment is there, we should always be thankful for the God. Scientists have proven that when we express our gratitude towards other people, we tend to feel happier. Means if we are praising others, then definitely we will be happy, we will be happier in our life. We tend to feel happier, calmer, and as a result it opens up more channels for goodness to enter into our lives. Means if we are good, if we are appreciating others, then definitely good will always come to you and you will be far more better than the previous one. So inculcate this habit to say always good things for others. Now imagine going through a day where strangers smile at you, greeting you, and people hold the door open for you, and more importantly, you feel that this world is full of kindness and people are willing to help you without expecting any return. Feel that one day you are going somewhere and everybody is talking to you, everybody is saying thanks to you, then how will you feel at that time? You will feel quite more better than the earlier, that everybody is trying to be friend of you, everybody is ready to help you. How would that make your day? The best part about being grateful and to live a good life, you do not have to wait for people to do good to you. Instead, be the first one to act and express your thankfulness to them. Means don't wait that other peoples will come and they will tell you something good about your behavior and about your nature. You must be good, you must say good things to others, and you should say thanks to others. You should go there, you should talk with them, you should have friendship with them. And if you are having good things in your heart, then definitely other peoples will do good with you. Thankfulness and kindness, especially your parents, and this thing first you have to apply with your parents. There are plenty of ways how you can express your gratitude and thankfulness towards your parents. One of the easiest and the most effective way, just say thank you. Means how you are expressing your love and the gratitude towards your parents is the very uh, important thing. And first thing is you have to spend some time with your parents. Always you should not use your phone and other things that will engage you. You should try to pay time with your parents and you should talk with them, you should play with them, you should go with them, and you should thank you to them. When your parent cooks a meal for you, when they help you solve their problems, when they do something for you, when they guide you, when they buy you a new shoe, when they give you money to live, do not forget to say thank you. If your parents are giving money, if your parents are giving love to you, you should say thanks to them always. You should feel grateful that you are having this kind of parents, those who are doing many much more things for your better future, and they are having this kind of attitude towards you. Now another good way to express your gratitude towards your parent is to spend more time with them and accompany them. You should spend more time with your parents. You should play with them, you should sit with them, you should discuss if you have any problem. So they will try to help you and they will feel that you are doing something for them. Now another good way to express that you have to spend time. Do you have to wait until when they so 80 years old only? Is it a good idea to wait always that my parents will be 80 years old, then I will talk with them? To spend your time with them, remember how your parents spend their time and life nurturing you. You must think that how your parents has spent whole life in nurturing your life, and they are not uh, doing anything for themselves, but they are doing everything for yourself. So you should return this, and making sure that you grow up becoming who you are today. And you should think about this, that who you are, and if you are something, if you are a good human being, then behind you whose hand it is? This is your parents. Now do the same and take good care of your parents. This is one of the best way to express your thankfulness to them. You can do one thing. You have to take care of your parents. You should good always for your parents, and this is the best way to say thanks to your parents. Some people express their gratitude through compromising through composing a song. Some writes thank you letters, some shows it through hugs and kisses, and some brings parents for vacations. So if you can compose a song, it will be good. If you can draw a picture, it will be good. If you can take your parents to a vacation, it will be a better idea. But it may be your idea only, that how you want to express your love towards your parents. Regardless of what you do to show your gratefulness towards your parents, the key is to make sure that do it before time runs out. Means whatever you want to do, whatever you are thinking to do it before the time goes. Don't wait that time will come, then I will do. This is not a good thing. You must do, you must get started to give respect to your parents within time, otherwise it will be too late. So this is the gratitude which we should have in our heart. Students, I have given the question answers of this lesson in a written form in the LFS Gida website. You can note it down in your copy. And now from tomorrow onwards I will start the new lesson. Thank you.